In the center of Australia's desert stands a giant that has watched the world change for more than 500 million years, Uluru. To understand its story, we travel back 550 million years, when this land was covered by a vast inland sea. Rivers poured sand and stone into the water, burying the sea floor under enormous layers of sediment. Over millions of years, Earth's tectonic forces squeezed and lifted these layers. As softer rock around it eroded away, one massive block of hardened sandstone remained, rising above the land. This was the birth of Uluru. Uluru's glow is no illusion. The rock is rich in iron minerals. When sunlight hits it at sunrise and sunset, the surface oxidizes, creating those famous reds, golds, and deep purples. For the Anangu people, the traditional owners of this land, Uluru is far more than geology. It is a place of living cultural significance, connected to their chukorpa, their knowledge, law, and creation stories that guide life and the land. From ancient oceans to shifting continents, to the glowing monolith we see today, Uluru is a reminder of Earth's immense power and the deep cultural connections that continue here. A story 550 million years in the making and still unfolding. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button and notification button for more.